Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the 2025 upgraded TV antenna from PVBKZ. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use with a massive 2,800-mile long-range reception. If you're tired of paying huge cable bills or struggling with weak signals, this antenna promises to change the way you watch TV. Right out of the box, the PVBKZ antenna feels sturdy and well-built. It comes in a sleek black design with durable ABS housing that protects it from heavy rain, intense sunlight, and general wear and tear. The antenna is equipped with the latest smart IC chip and a signal amplifier, which optimizes signal transmission and reduces interference. This means even if you're in a rural or suburban area, the antenna can maintain stable reception, keeping your TV programs clear and uninterrupted. One of the standout features of this model is its support for 8K and 4K Ultra HD formats. With compatible TVs and broadcasting towers, you can expect sharp, vibrant visuals that make a huge difference when watching high-definition content. The antenna is also compatible with the ATSC digital TV standard used in the United States, so it works seamlessly with most modern TVs. The antenna comes with a 39-foot premium coaxial cable and a universal SMA connector, making installation simple and flexible. It can be mounted indoors near a high window or outdoors for maximum reception. All the necessary screws, ties, and a stand are included, so you don't have to buy anything extra. Beyond the technical specifications, this antenna opens up access to a wide range of free local channels in HD. You can watch popular networks like ABC, NBC, CBS, PBS, Fox, CW, Univision, and HSN without any subscription fees. Sports, news, comedy shows, live broadcasts, and a variety of HD content become easily accessible. Which is perfect for households that want high-quality entertainment without ongoing costs. The PVBKZ antenna is versatile enough to be used at home, in stores, or even on RVs and yachts, ensuring that you don't miss your favorite shows while traveling. Its wide application makes it ideal for restaurants, small businesses, or anyone looking to provide local HD channels in different settings. Finally, the product comes backed by a professional customer service team available 24/7 to help with installation, reception issues, or any other concerns. This ensures that even if you encounter a problem, a solution is just a call away. Overall, the 2025 upgraded TV antenna from PVBKZ is designed to offer strong signal reception, durability, and support for modern high-definition formats, all while helping you cut down on cable costs. It's a smart, long-range solution for anyone looking to enhance their TV viewing experience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a reliable antenna that combines range, clarity, and ease of installation, this might just be the one for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns. See you in the next video.